Okay, I'm just going to run through in your wee booklets. It's page 67 and it's exercise B. Number 1, 2x add 5y equals 48 and 2x add y equals 8. In this, the x's are the same, so you don't have to do step 1. Subtract to eliminate them. 2x minus 2x is gone. 5y minus y is 4y equals 40. Bring your 4 across and divide. Take that and put it into the first equation. So 2x add 5 times 10 is 48. So 2x is minus 2. So x is minus 1. Question 2 is 2x add y equals 8. 3x minus y equals 17. And in this one, the y's are the same. So you don't have to do step 1. They are different, so you can just add them to eliminate them. 5x, y minus y disappears, and you've got 25. So bring your 5 over, divide, x is 5. Put that into equation 1. So equation 1 is 2 times x, so 2 times 5, add y equals 8. So 10 add y equals 8, so y is minus 2. Question 3. X add 3y equals 13. 2x add y equals 11. Now, this time I've got to multiply. I can either go for 2x or 3y. I will go for 2x. So how do I get that? Take equation 1 and times it by 2. So it's 2x add 6y equals 26. And equation 2 as it is. X's are the same, so subtract them to eliminate them. So 2x minus 2x is gone. 6y minus y is 5y. 25 minus 11 is 15, so y is 3. Put that into equation 1. So here's equation 1. X add 3 3's equals 13. So x equals 13 minus 9, 4. Question 4. 4x minus 3y equals 1. X add y equals minus 5. Equation 1 and equation 2. X's would both be 4. Y's would both be 3. It's just your own choice here. I'll go for x's. So 4x. So first equation sits. Second equation, you times it by 4. So it's 4x add 4y equals minus 20. X's are the same. Subtract them to eliminate them. 4x minus 4x disappears. Just be careful with your signs. Minus 3y, take away 4y is minus 7y. 1 minus minus becomes plus. 1 plus 20 is 21. You've got a negative letter, just swap your signs. Bring your 7 over and divide. Now take equation 1 up here. So it's 4x minus 3 times your y equals 1. So 4x add 9 equals 1. 4x, 1 take away 9 is minus 8. Minus 2. Question 5. 5x plus y equals 10. 3x minus 5y equals 10. So if I make the x's the same, they both would become 15. If I make the y's the same, they both become 5y. So that would be the easier one, I think. So equation 1 and equation 2. To get 5y, I've got to take equation 1 and times it by 5. So just make sure you times everything by 5. And equation 2, I didn't have to hit or change. Okay, the y's are the same letter. They've got different signs, so you add them to eliminate them. So adding these two is 28. 5y add minus 5y minus 5y disappears, equals 60. Just double check out so you can give me a bit of a decimal there. Normally it's whole numbers. Whenever you see a decimal, you sort of think, oh, I've made a mistake. So times this one by 5. That all looks in order. And that one's all fine. Adding them. 28. Yep. So just keep it as a decimal. 60 divided by 28. Oh, that's a horrible decimal. X equals 17 over 5. Put that into equation 2. So it's 3 times x. I'm going to double check this one because it looks absolutely horrendous. So times that by 3. So I've got 45 over 7 minus 5y equals 10. I'm going to put this over to get it positive and bring this over to become negative. So I have got minus 25 over 7 equals 5y. So y equals minus 5 over 7. Now, I've got two answers I'm not happy with. I'm going to show you a wee trick here. See equation 2. Put your answer in. So it's 3 times 15 over 7. And then minus 5 times minus 5/7 becomes plus 7. Now, I know I've made a mistake somewhere because I haven't got an answer of 10. So let's go back in and check that what we've got here. Just check I've copied it down, right? First equation, times by 5. Second equation, didn't touch. So eliminating these, we added them, 25, 60. So x is 60 divided by 28, 15 over 5. Times it by 3, 45 over 7. Take away your 10, divide it by 5, minus 5 over 7. Times minus 5, plus, just putting it back into equation 2. So you can see me not happy with this question. Oh, it is 10, it is correct. So, saw me make a bit of a mess there of the fractions, but that is the correct answer. Horrible question, that one. Didn't like that one myself. So 2x add, hopefully this will be a wee bit nicer. 3x add 4y equals 24. I'll make the x's the same. I'll make them both 6x. So how do I get that? Take equation 1 and times it by 3. Take equation 2 and times it by 2. So times this by 3. 6x add 9y equals 17 times 3 is 51. And taking this equation 2 and doubling it. I always like to write down what I'm doing because I could very easily forget. X's are the same, so subtract them because they've got the same sign. So your y equals 3. It's a bit better, isn't it? Equation 1 becomes 2x plus 3 3's equals 17. So 2x equals 8, so x equals 4. It's a much nicer question than the other one. Question 7. 5x minus 2y equals 34. 3x add 5y equals 8. So if I make the y's the same, they both become 10. The x's become 15. I'll go for 10y. So to get that, I've got to times the 2 by 5. So equation 1 times by 5. I've got to times this one by 2. Equation 2 times 2. I tend to put circles around the equation numbers. So 25x minus 10y equals 34 times 5 is 170. And this one doubling it. 6x add 10y equals 16. The y's are the same, different signs, so you add them to eliminate them. 31x equals 186. So 186 divided by 31 gives you x equals 6. Put that into the first equation. So it's 5 times 6 is 30, minus 2y equals 34. Now I'm going to put the minus 2y over on this side and move the 34 over. So just jiggling it around a wee bit. So minus 4 equals 2y, so y is minus 2. And last one in this half, x minus 3y equals minus 5. 3x minus 2y equals 6. The y's will both become 6, the x's will both become 3. So I'll go for the x's. So 3x is what I'm aiming for. So equation 1 times 3 and equation 2 doesn't change. So timesing this one by 3. And this one doesn't change. X's are the same. They've got same signs. Subtract them. They eliminate. Minus 9. Minus minus comes plus. So minus 9 plus 2y is minus 7y. Minus 21. Change all signs. Y is 3. Put that into the first equation. So x minus 3 times 3 equals minus 5. So x minus 9 is minus 5. So x equals minus 5, add 9, x equals 4.